It's such a good feeling. So like Mr. Rogers, but dumber. As we go, make our way to the truck. I'm back, yes, I'm back. And I'm back. I'm back once again, back to my old self. Yeah. Okay, enough of that. Listen to me, listen to me, listen.
What's that?
Listen to me. I got another box, another toolbox. This is great. Makita, so you know it's Makita. Got a little crazy for working this weekend. Chickadee check it, as the rappers would say. Get the booties out of there. We should do a video about booties. What? Listen. I got another Mak Trak box. Yes, pull it out a bit to reveal what. Pull it, just pull on it. That's what she said. It's much like this other one down here. You know, I've got this one here, this shallow. Then I got this guy here. This other box is just like that. It's got black top, got big black at the top. Just satisfying. Here, you know, here we go. Pull it. Good. Yeah. One latch. What could be better? What could be simpler? Put my DeWalt drill in it, my DCD 1007 with the 8Ah battery. That's a good battery. 6Ah battery. Makita box. I watched another video from some random YouTube person who's much better than me. It says with the gloves on, you can work the latch. That's true. It's good. Of course, you can just lift them all up and get to the bottom. Yeah, what could be simpler, really? The only thing I'm missing is the smaller organizer, the little cube-like guy there. And then, of course, the big one, the big 11-inch deep, $250. Makita, do I want to buy it just so I can show it off? Probably not. And they'll never give me anything for free. You cannot deny, look at this. You cannot deny it. They're just, I mean, it's like they were designed by somebody who said, you know, enough of this stupid Mak Pack crap. We care about people's hands. We don't want you to lose fingers trying to snap these stupid things together. They obviously fired the sadists who designed that crap, and they came up with this, which is actually quite beautiful. I'm no genius. Yeah, it's obvious. I should be wearing a hard hat all the time, but this is beautiful. The lines, it's just, you've got things. It's like, it's got design features. It's like a architecture. It's just beautiful. You set it on the, you can go right through. Yeah. So this is just gonna hold just my drills, just some of my drills, you know? Not bad. I can carry some more 8Ah batteries in here. Let's talk about its features. It's cute. It's got one clasp, a heavy duty clasp, by the way. It says Makita on it. Bet your Milwaukee stuff doesn't say Makita. Of course not, stupid. It's Milwaukee, not Makita. The nice thing is this fits exactly perfect next to my larger box in my bed slide. It is like it was meant to be there. So probably nobody's watching by now, but that's okay. Check it out. A handle. I'll tell you what. Hi. Let's have a heart-to-heart. Let's face it, you can buy toolboxes from many manufacturers. You've got Modbox, Pack Out, Tough System, T-Stack, Trade Stack, Tough System, Modbox, Pack Out, Mak Trak, Mak Pack, Versus Stack, Trade Built, Tough Built, Tough Stack. Toolboxes from all sorts of manufacturers, Ryobi, Craftsman, DeWalt, Skill, Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt, Flex, Tough Built, Cobalt, Ryobi, Harbor Freight, Honda, Craftsman, Panasonic, Makita. You know, they mostly come from China. They come from China. Oh, China, they're all from China. Quite frankly, they're from China. And that's okay. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. Really, when you think about it. What kind of dog is that? Other stuff comes from China. I mean, everything comes from China. They even got adult actresses from China, but the problem with them is their private parts are all blurry. So, you know, if you're into that kind of thing, maybe steer clear from the one from China. I don't know. If you're going to be on the job, if you're going to do a job, I don't care if it's a hand job or if it's power tools or, you know, you got hand tools. So if you're going to do a job, I don't care if it's a hand job or if it's, and you need some sort of boxes, who are you going to go with? You're going to have a cornucopia of different stuff all over the place, or are you going to stick with one thing? I'm going the Makita route, and until they do something to let me down further, another Makita rep is an a-hole to me, then maybe I'll change course. What is with that? They're just not, they think that they're better, you know, they hire all European people as reps. They bring them over to the US and, you know, turn their noses up at the consumer in the shops there looking for tools. Maybe. And the neighbor is coming this way with their dog. That's basically that. Spin move! Got that out of my system. Listen to me. I'm just a guy in a garage with a tool. I'm just a guy in the garage with tools and a dream. I'm kind of got 1 foot in Makita, 1 foot in DeWalt for the most part, and that is what works for me. But of course, that DeWalt DCD 1007 with the 8-hour battery, unbeatable as far as power, but it's really big in both. Makita, using Makita. There is no link in the description. I am not sponsored. No one would dare sponsor me, but that's okay. Judo chop. Folks, let me put it to you this way. Listen up. Listen real good. This is my plea. I'm into tools. I'm working out on the job sites. I'm using this. I'm using that. Because somebody else, I'm looking, anybody, is somebody else out there know what I'm talking about when it comes to who else out there just needs something that's going to work for them, for something, whether it's a small job or a big job, and they want something that's going to work, it's going to last, going to hold up, it's going to give them their money's worth. Let's just start a coalition, a group of doers, of people who just want the right tool. And is this tool good enough? Do I need to spend all this money? Can I get by with this other tool? Will this Ryobi work for me? Probably. Do I need this big fancy Milwaukee thing? You know, I mean, it's probably, you know, upsetting. This won't be well received by the Milwaukee soy boys out there, but you don't have to buy the most popular thing. You don't have to have the thing that everybody else on the job site has. You don't have to let your coworkers bully you and push you into buying something that you don't really need. Don't be afraid to be different. Different is where it's at. Different is where the magic happens. Run to it. Run to it. Just run for it. Just be you. Go and be you. There's magic to be had out there in the field, on the job site, just by you being you and doing your thing. Hey, oh. Yes, your tools are going to come from China. They're going to come from China. They're, quite frankly, they're all from China. Tools from China. Oh. Your tools are going to come from China, and I'll bet you the Makita Mak Trak boxes eventually will too. Or they come from, you know, they probably, like I said before, they probably come from a plant called USA in Qingdao province. Some 12-year-old kid is boxing them up, putting them on the boat to come to the actual US. But hey, here's what I'm saying. Do not be afraid to be you. Don't be afraid. Don't run from individuality. Wait a minute. Great words. Don't run from individuality. Run to it. Embrace it. Be different. Be better. Different isn't worse. Different is, a lot of times, it's better than everybody. Embrace it. Be different. If you want a slew of Ryobi tools to put in your truck and actually go out and do work, get the Ryobi tools. But get brushless. a little bit, brush a little bit. You know, you talking to me? Oh, a little bit. If you like Craftsman tools, be proud of the fact you're using Craftsman tools. Don't use don't use something that other people are using just because they're using it. Actually make an individual choice to do what you're going to do, and don't let people stop you. Just be you, be individual. Do what you want to do. You might find a fantastic option and a whole different path that you're going to blaze, whole trail you're going to blaze just doing what you do, not what your coworkers do. So that's food for thought. The more you know, and I think I've had enough. I am out. Mankita out. Yeah. A boom. Insert explosion sounds, right? So to the one viewer that probably watched this whole thing, thank you. Unless it's my parents, I think you probably need to watch it or you're obligated. I don't know, but anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.